Hello everybody, welcome back to school and welcome to Science Week! Yay! Now, I know that your teachers have got lots of exciting things planned for this week and we have chosen the theme of space because I know lots of you will have been aware of the rover, Perseverance rover, which has travelled to Mars and is now driving around on the surface and taking photos and videos. It's also going to be collecting rocks, and then we're going to send other rovers up to Mars to collect those rocks and bring them back to Earth so they can be investigated, which is pretty exciting, isn't it? I thought we'd do a bit of a science quiz. So I'm going to do some true or false questions. If you think the answer is true, I'm going to be a T, so your teachers can see. And if you think it's false, so not true, be a F for false. Okay, and I'm using this cube of planets to help me with my facts. Okay, so question number 1. Is it true or false that on Venus the rain is made of water? What do you think? That is false. The rain is made of sulfuric acid. So you wouldn't want to be out in that. Okay. Question number 2. The Earth is the third sun from the planet. The third planet from the sun. Is that true or false? Yep, that is true. First you have Mercury, then you have Venus, and then Earth. Okay, now I'm going to switch to my other planets. There we go, more planet facts for you. Okay, true or false? Jupiter has 3 moons. 3 moons. What do you think? True or false? It's false. Jupiter actually has 61 moons going round and round it. It's amazing they don't crash into each other, to be honest, but there we go. Okay, next fact. Let's do a Neptune one. A year on Neptune is the same as 150 years on Earth. So a year is how long a planet takes to get around the sun. So do you think it takes Neptune 150 of our years to get around? What do you think? That one is false as well. It actually takes 165 years. So we go around once, twice, we go around 165 times for every time Neptune goes around the sun. Okay, my last fact. It's a Mars fact. Mars is known as the red planet because its soil is red. Is it red, or it is red, true or false? It's red because it's actually gone rusty. True or false? What do you think? That one is actually true. There's so much iron in the soil and the rocks that they've reacted with the water over the years, which has now become ice, and so the planet looks orangey red because it's gone rusty. There you go. Right, now I want to announce this year's poster competition for Science Week, and this year you can actually upload your own entries. They are asking you to do a poster this size or twice this size. Okay, and they want you to think about innovation. Innovation is thinking of new ideas, so maybe inventing stuff or new ways to do things. So you can either think of your own innovation, so invent something, maybe a toy or a machine, and draw that on your poster, put lots of labels on, tell us what it does, how does it do it. Or maybe you want to investigate a person who is an innovator, maybe an inventor or someone who has come up with ideas that help lots of people. There's some other ideas on here too. I'm going to send this out for mums and dads to read. So what you need to do is make your poster. It can have flaps on, it can have bendy bits, it can have stick-on bits, or it can just be flat, pencils, crayons, felt tips, paint, doesn't matter. It's totally up to you. You create your poster and then you upload it to the website and you might win a prize, you never know. There's also examples for you to have a look at, ones that won last year if you want to have a look. So that's the Science Week poster competition. And now I'm going to leave you with a little experiment I did in my garden earlier involving a vitamin C tablet, some water and a small pot. So enjoy and have great fun with all your Science Week activities.